Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so I got this in the mail yesterday. I didn't want to film because it was already too late to film for me to film. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my unboxing of boxycharm by Ipsy. Now when I made sure everything was in here, I found like a surprise. I did not order it, but hey. And it came in this bag. It came in this bag. Alright, let's see what's in here because I didn't even look. Alright, let's see. It looks like it came from. It looks like it's their refreshments thing. I don't think I'm gonna use it. Yeah, so it's like right now I'm looking at this and I think I'm probably gonna let a friend have this. She's already gonna have. There's something in here I got for her. It's taking me a hot little minute to open, I know. Alright, so this is like telling me how to use it. There's a magnetic wall thing here. Yeah, so I think I'm going to give this to a friend. And this is what the thing itself looks like. Ooh. I don't know if she would like this or not. Which, of course, I'm going to ask her when I get off. When I finish filming. Yeah, like I said, it's from the refreshment. I don't even know what the, I don't even know what the retail value is of this. Because this is my first time receiving something from refreshments. Since I don't want to mess up my laptop, I'm going to put this over here. Never mind the music in the background. No copyright infringement intended, by the way. I'm going to go and just put this back in this bag. Now on to what I actually ordered. Which I've taken out this brown piece of paper I don't need. Alright, so now let's get down to it. I looked at this and it didn't give me any product information. Well, let me see. I'm going to double check. Yeah, this didn't have any product information. Which I'll put the prices down there in the description. Alrighty, so I think the first thing I'm going to do, excuse me, is show y'all this pack, this, which is the Wanderlust Powder Foundation in Fair. This is the box. Oh, sorry. Try to open it. I think I said it was foundation. Alright, and this is what the thing itself looks like. Here's the back side. Push button. Nice. Oh, it has a little sponge to it. Sweet. I think she will very much like that. There's here's that little sponge-like thing, which like I said, comes off like that. And this is what the powder itself looks like. Overall, the foundation. And my friend's been itching for some powder, for some foundation for a while, so I'm going to give her this. Which I'm pretty sure she's going to appreciate this. Alright, the next thing I'm pulling out is by Pink Lips, or I don't even know the, yeah, Pink Lips, and it's their lip gloss, A Glow in a Star, which are the shades. This shows I haven't even opened anything in the box. I need to get my eyes checked. This one's A Glow, and this one is... what was it? A Glow and Star. I don't think I'm gonna swatch right now. I might use these in a future video, like kind of like they like what I would want to use in a day. So I'm gonna put these over here. Let's see. I'm gonna go and put the trash over here, which thankfully has no magnets to it, because my laptop's on the other side. Alright, so this is by Glow Recipe, and it's their avocado ceramide moisture barrier cleanser. Everything in this box is full sized. Anything you get in with boxycharm is usually going to be full sized, which of course everything I've shown you so far is full sized. And this is what the box looks like for the cleanser. I think they said that, and here it says something about unfold to see our recipes for sustainability, which, yeah, if you unfold it, it does show the recipe. So I'm going to keep this box, and this is what the container, the bottle itself looks like. It looks to me, I like it. The bottle is what it looks like. And the next item I'm pulling out is the 3-in-1 stick by JX. Just X Cinema is the name, and it is in the shade I'm Delicious. Trying to find a way to open this. There we go. So this was the 3-in-1 stick. This is the one I'm most excited to try. This is the I'm Delicious shade, which I probably already said that. Hey, Perry. Yeah, my friend's dog just like sat down next to me. And this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can swatch it. Yo. This can be used for blush. Let's see. Alright, so this is not for use in the eye area. Alright, yeah, this is like, I'm not sure all of what it does. I can look again at my phone. I don't have my phone right here with me because it's charging. Alright, and the last thing in the box, that was the 3-in-1 stick. And it's the, it's by Game Beauty. Eyes on Me. It's blend brush, apply brush, smudge, and detail. And it's by Game Beauty LLC. Which this is what it looks like. And this is all I've gotten in this month's box. I think the where did I put it? Oh yeah, I was not expecting this. So That's, to me, is a bonus, a freebie. I honestly did not even order the refreshments. I know. And this, again, this is what I've gotten in this month's box. Which, let me see if this smudges any. So, I'm not going to mess with that right now. So, I think what I'm going to do is add the stuff I got to my makeup container. Yeah, I have a container of makeup and skincare. Even that has these tools, the tools in it. It's like I have specific bags for each and every, product I get. And you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna swatch this one. And this one is, this one I'm not even sure again. Oh well. Let's see, where did I put that box? A glowing star. I'm not sure which one this is, but I'm still going to swatch it. Keep having to fix my shirt, sorry. I don't like showing that area. It smells kind of like, to me, cupcakey. And here's the applicator. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here, next to the swatch. It's a little, you can kind of tell. These are lip glosses or something. If y'all know the retail price of every item here, let me know down there in the description and in the comments. I will turn on comments for this video. It's probably going to be one of the rare times I actually leave comments open. And then next to that one is going to be this one. So yeah, it smells good, I think. Kind of cupcakey. Some might say it's like a chemical smell to it. But to me, they smell like cupcakes. Alright, so I'm not going to swatch the foundation. I'm going to let her handle that. But she, like I said, when she came to live with us, she said she needed foundation. So that's what I'm going to give her. I'm going to give her my foundation, which I don't mind. I think that's going to be it for this video. My next video, I will open up. Now, I don't know what the next thing I'm going to open up or on video, and I don't know yet. So, bye guys. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there.